Welcome to this video. In this video I would like to show and explain to you in modern ABAP how you can check if a line exists and how many lines an internal table has. So up front, ABAP 7.4 there's a function called lines, and beginning from ABAP 7.4 SP2 the function line underscore exists. And here basically we have a sample program. So basically I have declared two internal tables and filled them with some sample data, and then within here I reached out to some rows, to some data with the table expressions and output them. And here within this case I am using an exception, and this can be done also easier if you want to. And here, for example, we could also make this easier. So let's maybe comment this out. And then here, first of all, I would like to show you the line exists method. So here you can use an if statement, an if condition, an if statement, and you can use the function line underscore exists. Then you can use parentheses, open and close them. Make sure to have some spaces in between. And here you can, for example, enter the row, the value that you would like to find out. So here in this case, so for example, LT values, and then with brackets, make sure to use proper spaces. And then, for example, ID equals to 7. We're searching within the LT values. So ID 7 doesn't exist. So it should run into an else statement, and there we could also print out this, so line not found. And if the line is found, then we could also print out, for example, this we could use this one, for example, so LV value, and equal this to value to have it there and to output this. So Shift F1, Control F2, Control F3, and then ready to go. Line not found. If we would change this, for example, to whatever 6, and then once again executing, then we're getting the proper value. So this is one way that you can find out if a line within an internal table exists. Then there's another function, as mentioned, available upfront ABAP release 7.4. It's the lines. There you can easily check how many lines one internal table has. So therefore, I would also like to comment this out once again. And here you can easily, so for example, here data LV lines, and then you just have to use lines, open and close the parentheses, and then within here you have to enter your internal table, and then we can just easily output this. So for example, that way, put a point at the end, and then output this to get the amount of lines. If we, for example, would increase this, so adding maybe 2 rows, so within here, just make sure that this is consistent, and now we are getting 8. So yeah, line exists, and lines are, I think, useful methods starting from ABAP 7.4 SP2 if you're referring to line exists, or if you just would like to use lines, then upfront 7.4 you can use those to create useful functions. So if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections. Please like this video and please subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.